Welcome to the UQ School of Architecture Architectural Technology presentations. In this video, we will expand on the concept of wellness in contemporary office environments and show examples how it translates through some recent case studies. A contented, happier and healthier workforce is one that feels a sense of ownership and agency over the space that they occupy. In the very least, workers in an organization need to be able to personalize their space, and the space needs to provide that capacity for personalization. Office spaces for larger organizations are also chasing the single view of the organization. This has led to an increasing number of offices creating large voids through the space to connect each facet of the organization visually. In this instance, they do this physically through an informal place to meet the whole organization. The benefit of this approach that tries to promote collaboration and visibility is that it also provides an opportunity to create air circulation up through the space using the effect of natural stack ventilation. The use of natural materials and other simple forms to generate airflow without air conditioning are also being incorporated into contemporary office environments. Large-scale ceiling fans are a cost-effective way to augment airflow in a naturally ventilated or mixed-mode building. Although organizations can employ the latest techniques in office design and use the latest natural materials, the values of the organization are as intrinsic to the well-being of the organization's members as the physical layout of the office space that they occupy. In this instance, involving families and promoting work-life balance help to reduce stress and promote greater loyalty of its employees towards an organization. The next step in promoting wellness in offices is the introduction of biophilic design principles. In simple terms, biophilia is a concept that promotes our connection with nature. Rather than the occasional pot plant here or there, some organizations integrate nature into the workplace in emphatic and sometimes unconventional ways. Furniture suppliers are already on board with products that they claim promote biophilia. In this instance, green wall technology has been adapted to create visual screening in the office. In other instances, the connection with nature becomes in part folly, but creates an organizational identity. And other organizations claim that biophilic design in their office layout is a strategy that encourages more open and creative thinking. In any case, interventions can only be maintained and validated through monitoring. The profession and wider industry is not very good at testing whether their ideas work through measurable outcomes against performance indicators. So, in simple terms, design strategies that give people agency and control over their space leads to a greater sense of belonging and well-being. Soft infrastructure and biophilic design is gaining currency as a mainstream strategy with claims that it encourages greater degrees of creativity and productivity. Be sure to check into the other videos in the Architecture Technology series, and thanks again for watching.